Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Godot 2 project open, a playable character node in the scene, and a camera 2D node added. Attach a script to the camera now so you can control behavior. This is the first actionable step. Define export vars for margins, smoothing, and level limits at the top so you can tweak without recompiling. Once done, set camera 2D. Current equals true and pick a sensible zoom. This gets you immediately ready to implement edge detection and movement logic. You now implement the detection loop inside process, delta. Convert mouse or touch position from screen to world coordinates with get viewport. Get mouse position and camera. Unproject position. This is why you set export vars earlier. Compare positions to margins. If within 0.20px of an edge, compute a velocity vector scaled by delta and smoothing. Apply translation using translate or by modifying global position, and make sure to clamp with rect2 limits so the camera never shows outside the designed level. Finish by smoothing motion. Use lerp or move toward on global position so movement feels natural. This explains why smoothing was an export variable. Test on multiple resolutions and enable viewport stretch modes to avoid edge inconsistencies. If you see jitter, first ensure you multiplied speeds by delta and aren't mixing physics and frame updates. Next, verify the camera isn't parented to a transformed container causing double transforms. Finally, adjust margin and clamp values until edge panning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.